Sweet, man. Now that's what I call a home studio. While I put my axe away, Steven joins John Horton from Pacific Pride Doors to install the lush mahogany hinged and barn doors. These doors really know how to swing, baby.
I'm John Horton, president and founder of Pacific Crest Building Products. In this remodel, we are actually using our mahogany flush door. This is unique in that we take our veneers and we hand lay them on this product, and then we highlight the seams with a V-groove that we stain dark. So it gives it a really rich look that you wouldn't see if that was just all one veneer piece. Even though we say it's a flush door, it's not really totally hollow in the sense of normal hollow core doors. It actually has a lot more structure inside, so you're going to have 2.5 inches of actual wood all the way around it. You're going to get real hardwood on the edge bands. You're not going to get a tape veneer. So we really try to make things one step above. One thing different about our company is we don't go out and just buy product from people that make product. We always put our customer hat on and then start designing. We try to look at every detail in terms of making it easier for the customer. We're innovators. We like to be the first in the market with new product.